Ucerete mutito-ini wa MICHUKI guku Nairobi utungagwo ni riera ritheru, nyoni cikeina na uhoreru wa mururumo wa mai ona gutuika ti matheru ni uthukangia wa mundu. Tiga gikorwo wini ruru, mutito uyu uria na hau kabere wari kiara ni ugacirite ni miti, nyeki na mimera ingi, na gutuika gitumiro kia Endwa hamwe na aikari a Nairobi magietha handu ha kuhuruka na kurikiria meciria.
It's very hot and we need a cool place to be, and with the sun, with the noises in the city, you need a quiet place to have personal time. Yeah, nature is good.
I have a connection with Mother Earth, and I feel like staying in a calm environment and having time for yourself in a very quiet and peaceful place is the best thing every person will wish for on earth.
Namba nene ni MBEU njithi aria mathiete na mbere na kuhimbiria icera mutito-ini uyu kuria gicunji kinene kia miti ni mirangi. Na ungihura ndurumeni irungo-ini cia mirangi, ugacemania na maritwa mathiururukiirio ni ruri rwa wendo.
Naturally, we are social beings, and you can tell with the birds how they will work together and all that. Also, it's interesting that in MICHUKI Park, you'll also find some inscriptions on bamboo trees of two people. They have written their names. There's a love heart there.
Kwa muhiano ni kirungo giki kiria kiri na maritwa ma Henry na Rael aria mekinyite guku mwaka-ini wa 2020, nakio giki kiri na ruri rwa wendo gatagati ka Bruno na Joy Brian Aminga uria ni mutarani agitugiria cieko ici.
It really tells that nature connects people, and it spices up relationships and makes our love more interesting.
Mihitwa ingi ya wendo ikiranirwo guku ni gatagati ka Vini na Aaron, Tabi na Kelly gatagati kangi. Tunza umwe wa aria maceraga guku akiuga ni undu atari eka no ni akinyereirie giko giki ni gia kumatia ndugu.
I mean, you can come here for a picnic. Yeah, take a walk if you're lovers, if it's a couple. It's different, like it makes your relationship stronger. Sijui kwa nini, but hivyo ndo kuko. Like you connect with nature and your person.
Tugacemania na Joan Kipto, murutwo wa University wa Pioneer uria ni mwendi wa maria maturigiceirie, na akahithuria icera mitito-ini ni rimateithagiriria na mwendo wake riria mahitania.
In case of a couple that are trying to make up after issues, they can come. I think this has happened to me. I've also had the chance, the golden opportunity to iron things out with the other party, simply because here we get to experience nature and leave our internet, our Wi-Fi and the tech world aside, and let's use now use the environment and nature to bring ourselves together.
Tiga mandiko ma wendo aria matari na Endwa matigaga ndumiriri na namba ciao cia thimu kugeria munyaka wao, na oro irungo-ini ici aria manekanirira mihitwa ya wendo mangihitania ni kuronekana umwe wao no acoke na afute ritwa riake. Tiga Endwa family mundu kiumbe na ikundi citiganite ni ciekinyagia guku.
Something else that I've done is I've had a chance to bring my nieces and nephews to a park, because they don't have to fight over remote and all that, so we get to connect as a family in this kind of a setup.
Mititu kuringana na ATARAMU ni kiguni kuri ugima mwega wa meciria makiria riri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yonanitie makiria ma Kenya milioni 10 mari na mathina ma meciria.
Nature, actually one of the ways to put your mind, put the thoughts, the stresses, the depression. One of the ways that one can heal from such is going to nature. Apart from other things like listening to music, other things as having a support system, nature plays a key role. Yeah, because look at this place. You can hear the wind, you can see the birds. When God created the universe, He created nature to serve man. It's not that we should be busy on screens, in isolation, in our houses. We need a place where there is good flow of oxygen, which is beneficial to the body, especially to the brain.
Gucera guthaka na gwikuruhanagia na mitito ni guteithagiriria mundu guikara muturire muraihu gatagati ka moguni mangi.
I actually love nature because you'll be having a good place to reason, to compose yourself. Yes, also it's a place to be creative. Sometimes you have ideas, or sometimes you're working on something and you're too busy and you don't even have that time to recharge. Yeah, and I believe that nature is a good place. You can come, you take a walk. It rejuvenates the energy. Yeah, and also while you walk, you listen to music, the wind. It's just nice. Yeah, and it's a good experience. Yeah.
Na uthukangia wa maria maturigicĩirie ugathingithia miturire ya mundu.
There actually should be more green spaces, because people need that good environment, good atmosphere, and yeah, our city can be green if we invest in maybe having more green spaces, and actually it will even make working easier.
Kameme TV tabarĩra ya maria maturigicĩirie ngĩkũhe ũhoro GITAU, GITAU wa WANJIKU.